In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make money online. If you are watching this video, then you must be using a smartphone or PC and you must be having an internet connection. So you don't have an excuse not to make money online. The good news is with this method, you don't need startup capital. All you need is your internet connection on your phone. And you must follow this video to the end to see the entire steps. With the first part, I'm going to show you the various shops that you can get this product. In the second part, I'm going to show you how to make use of other platforms to distribute this product and make multiple streams of income. One of the topmost online shops that you might be considering is ebay.com. With the ebay.com, we have a tons of products that is being sold on their platform. And when you scroll through these various categories, you see the various categories that we have. We have electronics, fashion, health and beauty, home and gardens. Under electronic, for instance, we have Apple, Samsung, and any other products that you might want. So for instance, if you go under Apple, you'll be prompted with a lot of Apple's products. All you have to do is to locate the product that you want to buy. eBay offers a tons of flexibility when it comes to its product. When you buy the product, you can ship it to Ghana and it will be delivered to your doorsteps. The other online shop platform that is worth considering is ztu.com. With ZTU, you can also buy a lot of services here. So if you want Instagram, you can buy your Instagram followings for the boosting, and you can also locate Instagram account. So for instance, when we proceed to accounts, we can get a lot of accounts that is being sold at cheaper prices. Here we have an account that has been sold at $1. We have a series of different accounts, and also you can also locate some of those accounts has a lot of followers. For example, this account which is being sold at $8 will be having 5k followers. Another account also which is being sold at $2 also has 1,000 followers, and you have a lot of other accounts. You can also go back to the search engine. If you want Netflix account, for instance, you have a Netflix account that you can easily get. So under Netflix account, you have an account which is being sold at $3, $1, and a different sort of account at relatively cheap prices. So if you are interested in selling a product, like for instance, we decide to buy this Netflix 60 days warranty 4K UHD, you just proceed there, click and copy all this description, and then proceed to our WhatsApp, and in our status we can just post our description there. We have a lot of contacts that will obviously be interested in buying. We can also proceed to our Facebook account when we hit in our posts, and you can quote your own price that you want to sell this product at. You can do this at the comfort of your home without going anywhere. Back to ztu.com, you can get a lot of products there and make series of money. In terms of items, you can proceed to items and you can locate every product that you want. For instance, if you want Fortnite, you can proceed there and you can see Fortnite at relatively cheap price, which is $1.49, and you can see it here. All you gotta do is just to copy the description and a picture and then share it on your platform. It can be WhatsApp, it can be Facebook, it can be Twitter or Instagram. You can also do the same approach to eBay. All you gotta do is just copy the description with a nice photos and put it on your various social media handle. And when you get an order, you just place the order from the original online shop and it will be delivered directly to the customer. If you are watching this video and you found a tons of value out of this video, consider subscribing to see many content like this. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video.